Hello out there, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to teach you how to create your YouTube channel with your profile picture, your name, and your YouTube handle. So let's go. You load your YouTube app by tapping it and make sure you have signed in with the Gmail you want to use to open your channel. So I have already signed in with it. This is not this. So what you do here is you look at the bottom of your page where you see, not the moving part please, where you see home, shorts, plus subscriptions and you now tap the U, and that is your profile, and you are here. The name you use to open your Gmail is automatically there, which is Oninab Resources. And then you will see there, create a channel. So you now tap the create a channel. It takes you here. You can see the first thing, change your photo or take a new one. So you tap on that camera icon. It takes you to your device. Then you can now tap either from camera or from gallery. If you tap from gallery, it takes you to all your picture gallery. Scroll down, like here I tap this, anyone, maybe I use this coat of arm, then it is here. This is where it will be captured and this is how it will be displayed. So you tap save as profile picture. You click save as profile picture. It loads and it is uploaded. So profile photo updated successfully. Now the name, you may wish to maintain this name. If you wish to change the name, you just tap on that edit icon. You tap, it takes you to where you can change your name. So you change, let me change it to Mattis with Mr. Onina. So mathematics with Mr. Onina, I save it and it is registered. When I change the name, it automatically suggested a YouTube handle. This YouTube handle is the one you will be sharing with people to be able to locate your YouTube channel. So if I wish to change it, I still click on that editing icon. It takes me here. I don't think there's anything I need to change here, so I'll just save it. Having saved, I have put in my profile picture, I have edited the name, I have edited the handle. What I do now is you read the terms and conditions, which means by tapping create channel, you agree to YouTube's terms of service. Changes made to your name and profile pictures are visible only on YouTube and not on other Google services. And for your information, if you wish to, after creating this channel and you wish to change your name, of course, it is not advisable you keep changing your YouTube name here and there, but you can change. They made provision for you to change. If you wish to change until after 14 days before you can change your profile name, then you now tap create channel and your channel has been created. You are now a channel. So if you now go there where you see you and tap it again, you will see now that it is the name of your channel that will now be appearing with your handle. That is mathematics with Mr. Onina. You can even at that point view channel. When you view channel, you see here is, if you want to edit your channel now, you tap and you see it takes you back to where you can edit your channel. You see this is your channel's name. You can see that you cannot change it now. I told you before you can change, you have to wait till after 14 days. So then your handle, you can still change it, and this is your URL. This is the one I was telling you about. This URL is what you now copy and share it to your friends. Then from here again, you can now add description to your channel tab. You now describe what your channel is all about. This channel is created to help in promoting learning, let me put it, teaching and learning mathematics. If you have more, you can do, then you tap save, and then that is automatically applied. You can go back and then you still have everything intact. So that's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you love this, please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video to others. Until we come your way again, goodbye.